I'm Chris Baker with the founder of the F-Body Nationals. CPP and I worked together on our giveaway car for this year's event. It's a '67 Camaro. And as we were building the car, and everything was pretty much stock on the brakes and suspension, and after talking to Jim at CPP, he said, hey, let us send you a Stage 4 kit for the car. All new suspension, all new brakes, and you guys can use that in your build. After I drove it a couple hundred miles, we did put it in the trailer and we took it on the Hot Rod Power Tour. And this year on the Power Tour, we drove about 1,500 miles. But during that time, I got to drive the car a lot, obviously. We were driving through small towns, we were driving on the highway, and it didn't really matter if you're on the highway doing 75 or if you're on the back roads doing 45, 55, weaving through the back roads of these small towns, stop and go traffic sometimes. That car is one of the best riding and driving cars that I've ever driven. And I've driven a lot of classic muscle cars. And I was really impressed with the brakes on it, how well they responded. My wife's got a new van, and the thing stops way better than her van. Great stuff.